Number 1, close grip barbell curl. This variation target the inner head of the biceps, giving you that fuller and peak look. Stand holding the barbell with the close grip wider than shoulder width. Then curl it upward with control and slowly lower it to the starting position. Keep your elbow close to the body, avoid swinging and let your biceps do the work. Start with the medium weight and aim for 3 sets of and 10 to 12 repetition. Number 2, wide grip easy bar curl. Wide grip emphasizes the outer head of your biceps, helping you build width and oral size. In this, you start by holding the easy bar with the grip wider than shoulder width. Squeeze the biceps, lift the bar upward, hold it for a few seconds and slowly bringing it down to the starting position. Easy bar, work of wrist tension, do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 3, cable curl. This movement keep constant tension on the bicep muscle, giving you great pump in your biceps. To perform this, attach the straight bar handle to the cable machine and stand straight in front of the machine and holding the handle with both hands, keeping the elbow locked close to the body and curl the bar up. Really apply pressure at the top and slowly lower it back to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of and 12 to 15 reps to feel the burn. Number 4, dumbbell hammer curl. This movement not only work the biceps but also target the brachialis, which add thickness to your arms. Stand holding the dumbbell in both hands with the neutral grip. Curl the dumbbell together or alternately toward your shoulder. Hold for a few seconds at the top of the movement and slowly lower them back down. Do 3 sets of and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands. Number 5, machine preacher curl. This is an isolated exercise which give an excellent shape to the biceps and strengthen the peak of the biceps. Adjust the machine so that your elbow rested comfortably on the pad. Then you lift the handle upward with control form and bringing it down to the starting position with the same speed. Maintain focus on the biceps throughout the movement and perform 3 sets of and 12 to 15 repetition. Number 6, dumbbell concentration curl. This is perfect for building the biceps peak and improve mind-muscle connection. Sit on the edge of a bench with your leg extended and hold the dumbbell in one hand with your elbow resting on your inner thigh. Then curl the dumbbell up, hold it for a few seconds and slowly in controlled manner lower them to the starting position. Similarly, do 3 sets of and 10 to 12 repetition on both hands.